Measure the ingredients. 2 cup flour, 1 cup sugar, 1 cup oil, 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon vanilla, half tablespoon baking powder. Now let's go to the 8. 7 plus 1 is 8. 6 plus 2 is 8. 5 plus 3 is also 8. 4 plus 4 is also 8. And 3 plus 5 is also 8.
We roll the dice and get on the apple. 20 plus 70, it's 90. Oh, but we don't have 90 here. So we take 100. 100 minus 90. How much is it? It's 10. So we take 10 and we take 10 from the stone.
The calendar is to let us know the date and the days of the week.
7 minus 3 equals to 4. 4 plus 5 equals to 9. 8 plus 1 equals to 9. Like this we can solve this is the way we can solve the whole puzzle. In Make 10, shapes and patterns. Sun, planet and moon are in spear shape. All of the planets revolve in their orbit and in a fixed pattern. In math, we know that sunlight travels to Earth in 8 minutes. Using maths, humans were able to build space shuttle and reach to the moon. It's the queen of science. It makes our life very easy. Counting, time, measurement, money, games, shapes are some parts of math.
Go to market. We measure weight of fruits and vegetables. And the fifth one is capacity. We always see the amount of liquid in this container, and my father measure capacity of milk that my mother will drink. How we use bags in our daily life. This is a calendar. We use to see date at months and weeks in our calendar and our holidays. This is a remote. We see it we change channels with our remote.
Tree-shaped robot. So the cube has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. I have used the cube to make the body of the robot. I have used the pentagon to make the face of the robot. This scissor, it is an example for symmetry because both sides are equal shape and size.
Next, we have to mix them all up and keep it in the oven for 30 minutes. And how will I know how much is 30 minutes? I will look at the clock. It's 4 o'clock now. I have to look at the clock till it's 4:30. And now my cake is done.
Math is a universal language. Math is made of numbers, symbols, and logic. Everything in this world is controlled by math. Time estimation everything water and ingredients we need to make food. Today I am going to explain more about driving. There are three aspects of driving: speed, time and distance. These all three questions can be studied by maths only. There are many other questions of driving which can be also solved by maths. For example, this is my house and that's my friend's house. I have to go to my friend's birthday party at 11 o'clock. So I should logically think in my mind that how much space should I take to reach on time. Secondly, there are many vehicles coming and I should decide that when should I stop the car? When should I take a turn left or right? When should I increase or decrease the speed? So did you see, guys? Where did I use maths? I used logical reasoning, numerical reasoning, mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division.
Talk about maths in nature. Everything in nature has symmetry. Example, like some sea animals and some wild animals and human beings also.
I have used 2D shapes to make this rocket. I have used triangle, rectangle, circle and square. This rocket is used for space exploration. I have used different shapes for different parts of the rocket. I have used triangle for the nose cone, fin and nozzle. I have used the circle for the fuel. I have used square for the frame and I have used rectangle for the body structure. As we see, we are able to create a complex object like a rocket using 2D shapes.
Multiplication calculator. This was invented by a great mathematician named John Napier Bones. By using this, we can do multiplication sums very easier and faster. And I am going to explain you how it will work. This is called index board and these are called Napier bones. Napier bone 1 will contain 1 table. Napier bone 2 will contain 2 tables. Napier bone 3 will contain 3 tables. Like that up to 9, it will continue like that. So, I am going to show you.
Tonight, I studied a book named Harry Potter. It uses maths for numbering pages, table of contents or index for easy navigation. There is also an alarm clock which uses numbers to show time and wake me up at 6 a.m. daily. There is also a rectangular bed. It uses maths for precise dimensions and 2 circular pillows which are 2D circular in shape.
Concentric circles. Concentric circles are shapes with a same center point but of different radius. We can see them in the rings of an onion, the ripples of a pond, and also the rings of the tree. Let's talk about fractals. Fractals are never-ending patterns. You can see them in some kind of plants, kiwis, and even in our fingerprints.
You can see it has 3 shapes, 1, 2 and 3. A 3-side shape is a triangle and a 6-side shape is a hexagon. This is symmetrical because the line it shows are symmetrical when you fold it.
Can you tell what this is? It is a Christmas tree. But math in this is, it is a square-based pyramid. It has 5 vertices, 5 faces, and 8 edges.
And a minute is 60 seconds. That's when you use the 5 table. You have to use multiplication to tell which minute is it. For example, the minute sign is pointing at 8, so it has become 40 minutes. So the time is 2:40. My 3 friends came to my birthday party and we ordered a pizza. I got the whole pizza. I cut it into 4 quarters and each of my friends got 1 slice, which is 1/4.
Such as managing money in supermarkets, shopping the best cuisine, preparing food, play in the playground, and wherever our eyes go. So let's see the model part to understand the concept better. Look at this slide. It's the shape of a rectangle. It has 4 sides. The opposite sides are equal and it has 4 vertices.
A great philosopher, Galileo, once said, "The laws of nature are written in the language of mathematics." 3D means 3 dimension. Means it goes 3 ways, up to down, left to right, and also front to back. This is a cube. It has 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 corners.